Nunez. Umatake, sablay. Pass break. Para kay Ubaob. Ubaob. Layup para kay Ubaob. Umangat sa lamang ng PSIM Qatar. Hindi pa nakakapuntos ang Wednesday Ballers.
15 seconds.
Bulin for 3. Short.
Di pumasok.
Parang kababalik lang ni Bulin. Number 3. Galing yata ng bakasyon. Ngayon lang siya naglaro. Ubaob for 3. Grabe. Ang second 5 ng PSIM Qatar.
Ay Ubaob.
Angat sa 8 ang kalamangan ng PSIM.
50 seconds.
Ayun na mga players ng Wednesday Ballers. Ang rest back. Dumarating na. Buranday. At si Bituin. Paul number 25. Basket count. May kasama pang foul. Bonus shot by Paul. Sablay. Rebound ni Charles Doritan. Binigay kay Nunez. Nunez setting the play. Oy!
I'm out.
Error.
Wednesday Ballers.
Wednesday Ballers. Time out sila. Score natin 17-7. Biggest lead ng PSIM Qatar so far for this ball game. Magandang laban yan. Next game natin. Season 9. West Conference. Team Corona Cowboys versus No Invite. Error. PSIM Qatar. Wednesday Ballers. Number 8. Tumira ng 2. Sablay. Rebound by Charles Duritan. Charles Doritan. Big man play. Batad. Umararo.
Airball.
Napunta kay number 1. Tupad yan para kay number 1.
2 minutes.
Time left.
99 in favor
1 minute,
of
55 seconds para sa first quarter. 2 points para kay Corona. Ay kay number 8, Sablay.
Ubaob.
Baboy, huli! Hinuli ni Nunez yan.
Ubaob ulit.
Napunta sa kanya bola ulit. Oy! Sablay. Number 8.
Number 8.
Binigay kay Charles Duritan. Sablay pero may foul. Two free throws para kay Duritan. First attempt. Oy! Kumalog palabas. Second attempt. Sablay din. Rebound by number 30, Roble. Binigay kay Paul. Binigay kay number 1. Copy ka ng bola. Napunta kay Porlales.
All on a Wednesday. Number 8. Number 11.
Nunez for 3. Short. Rebound by Batad. Tapikan. Pass break.
19 seconds.
2 points na sana yun.
19 seconds to shoot.
Or updated score natin. Official score natin, 19-9. Batad.
Batad.
Batad. Mararo. Basket count. May kasama pang foul.
Basket count.
Napakalakas.
Number 11. Into the hand.
Mikey Batad. Mukhang maganda gising. Nakapag-stretching na maayos. Maagang dumating kanina yan.
Number 2, Batad.
Nakapag-stretching na maayos. Bonus shot. Sablay.
Hindi pumasok.
Rebound by Nunez.
Nunez, number 11. Minor dribble.
Nunez.
Number
Cornales.
Number 8.
Number 8. Sablay. Rebound by Buling. Huli ka. Huli ni Robles. Ayan na si Duritan.
Hindi pumasok. 5 seconds. Into the second shot clock.
Good yun. Walang 3 seconds. Sinitira yung bola. Nasa ere.
15 seconds remaining in the ball game. Wala na shot clock.
14-point lead by PSIM Qatar.
5 seconds.
3 seconds.
Purple.
And
The first quarter.
end of the first quarter. USA Ballers. 10 players. Ang PSIM.
Ubaog na number 1.
11 players. Wala tayong magiging technical free throws mamayang halftime. Cornales. 4-3. Sablay. Rebound by Bulin. Pinasakay. Nunez.
10 seconds.
Cornales. Binalik ulit kay number 8. Oy! Charles Duritan. Bulin. 4-3. Sablay. Tapikan. Napunta pa rin kay number 3. Bulin. Huli. Pushing foul. Tinawag kay number 1. Maswerte pa sa bola tong si number 3. Bulin. Kahit sumasablay. Bumabalik sa kanya bola. Masipag. Sa hustle. Oy, natapikan ni Fresco. Fresco. Defense.
Wala na PSIM.
Number 25, Paul. Paul. Dinarap kay number 1. Obaob. 4-3. Sablay. Rebound. Out of bounds. Wednesday Ballers ball. 11-point lead by PSIM Qatar. Game 1 pa lang to mga kasulit. Best of 3 yan. Battle of the Champions.
5 seconds.
Season 8.
4.
Bracket A, Wednesday Ballers Champions versus Bracket B, PSIM Qatar Champions. Sino ang ating magiging first Battle of the Champions? Wednesday Ballers kaya or PSIM Qatar? Atol. Huli.
May foul ang inawak si referee Jojo.
Offensive. Offensive foul number 1 ng PSIM Qatar.
29-18. 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Cornales. Binigay kay Bulin.
To Cornales. To Nunez.
Nunez. Charles Duritan.
To number 3. Hesitate. 50 seconds.
Ang ganda ng pasa ni Bulin. Kaso na 3 seconds.
3 seconds. Violation.
Nahuli. 3 seconds. Charles Duritan. Ganda sana ng pasa.
$15 seconds.
Number 25, Paul. Binigay kay number 12, Obaob.
10 seconds.
Number 30, Robles. Mahina. Rebound by Nunez. Nunez umatake. Sablay. Pass break.
Frisco.
Fresco.
2 points.
Grabe si Fresco. Super layup.
Good to number 1. Number 1 to number 3. Number 3 to Nunez.
Nunez.
Nunez, fade away. Pasok.
Medyo maalat si Nunez ngayong game na to
10 seconds. Formales.
Big man Roble for the rebound. Binigay kay Paul. Paul. Drop pass kay Obaob. Abaob. Sumalaksak. Anong hatol?
Wednesday warning for penalty. Sa foul na lang, penalty.
Sideline inbound. Obaob for 3. Short. Rebound by Paul.
Foul,
2 points. May kasama pang foul.
88 into the head.
Bonus shot para kay Paul. Sablay. Nunez. Nunez. Binabantay ni Paul. Bulin. To Nunez. To Cornales. Duritan.
7 seconds.
Bulin for 3. Sablay.
Penalty. 88 pa rin. Number 88, Duritan. Third personal foul.
May nakitang foul. Duritan. Penalty na ang Wednesday Ballers. First attempt ni Roble. Pasok. Second attempt. Nating
One point
patnet.
for number 30.
Lumolobo na ang kalamangan ng PSIM Qatar. 35-18. 17-point lead.
19 seconds and shot clock. 15. 10
Duritan.
seconds.
Pinasa kay Fornales. 2 points.
Time out.
Fornales ba yun? Hindi pala.
Time out.
Number 8.
PSIM. He scored 35-90. PSIM is going for it.
2 points.
Time out. 10
Duritan.
seconds.
Pinasa kay Fornales. 2 points.
Time out.
Fornales ba yun? Hindi pala.
Time out.
Number 8.
Three points for number 11. Ubao. To Kevin. Kevin to Saito. Saito to number 30. 10 seconds. Nunez. Nakuha ni Teo. Teo, Fresco. Fresco to Teo. Teo to number 1. Number 1 to number 11. 10 seconds. Tumira Andres. 2 points by Saito.
3 points yan. Para kay Fresco.
Forty-seven, 24. Reyes ay pa rin ang lamang. 10 seconds. Formales, pumasok. Number 11.
Counter steal.
Number 8.
Palitan ng steal.
Number 18.
Fernandez. Basic kapos. Rebound by number 8.
5 foul.
May nakitang foul. Two free throws para kay number 8.
Fifteen seconds. 2 points for number 1. Seconds. 10 seconds. 2 points by Fernandez. Seconds. Breeze. 2 points by Breeze. Kinaliwa.
Floater yan para kay Breeze. Official score natin, 51-27. Ang ganda ng pagkakastil ni Nunez.
Nakakawan si Leo. Leo to Frisco. Frisco.
Sayang.
Leo 2 points.
Hindi na complete. Score natin, 53-27.
15 seconds. 53-27.
50 seconds left to play on the third quarter. Number 1. Binigay kay Fresco. Pumesto ng 3. 3 seconds. Ibang 3 ang nahuli.
Seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 2 points.
Wala na. Oras. End of the third.
Seconds. 2 points.
Palitan ng steal.
Number 18.
Fernandez. Basic kapos. Rebound by number 8.
5 foul.
May nakitang foul. Two free throws para kay number 8.